Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick. And today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Acura ILX Premium Edition. This is brand new redesign for Acura in 2019. The first thing you'll notice, the ILX went to the diamond pentagon front grille with the 7-tier dual eye LED headlights. Coming over here, you're going to have your alloy wheels. The ILX is going to get 24 miles into the city and 34 miles on the highway for excellent fuel efficiency. Our side view mirrors are collapsible, both forward as well as backwards. On the premium model, you also have the blind spot monitoring system inside the mirrors as well. The vehicle is also equipped with keyless access. So essentially all you have to do is come up to the door, put your hand inside the door, it will unlock the door for you. Press this little black button right here and it's going to lock the doors for you. The vehicle also has 2 speakers on both driver and passenger door. You also have your leather perforated seats with a 4-way power passenger seat as well. The ILX has a 3-stage backup camera, your wide angle, your normal angle, and directed to the ground. The ILX has easy access to the trunk just by pressing the button, and the trunk will pop open. The trunk also, for extra storage, has the ability to release the entire seat in the second row just by releasing this little lever right here, and the seat will fold down so you have more storage capability. Underneath here, you have your tire inflator kit. Let me go ahead and shut this down. Coming over here, talking about the passengers. The passengers in the second row also have 2 cup holders, not to mention speakers on the doors for better sound system. Let's go ahead and spend our time where you're going to spend the most of your time, in the driver's seat. Now, all the Acura ILXs are going to come standard with Acura Watch. What Acura Watch is, it's going to give you your road departure mitigation, your adaptive cruise control, your collision mitigation braking system, and your lane departure and lane keep assist. That's all standard for 2019. The vehicle also is going to come with the dual memory seats, all your power windows and locks. The vehicle also comes with traction control, automatic headlights, all of your stereo controls are right here. You have your Bluetooth controls are right here. Your cruise control settings are right here. To activate some of your safety features are right here, and your information screens. Also, for some of you who are looking for a manual transmission option, you do have paddle shifters here to emulate manual transmission. Our radios, you're going to see 2 split screens right here. The top screen could be displayed your cell phone, it could display your information screen, and the vehicle is equipped with the Apple CarPlay / Android Auto. We'll be able to hook up your cell phone via the USB cable and display your cell phone up there, so that way you can run Apple Maps, Google Maps, or even Waze. The radio is full touchscreen. All you have to do is touch whatever you want. Your heating and air conditioning controls are all built in right here. Your heated seats are right here. You do have a handbrake right here. Up top here, you have 3 universal garage door openers, electrochromatic mirror, and my favorite feature, the sunroof. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.